This roaster. Welcome to retirement life. At a car show here. Old Dodge truck. This is what you like, Kathy. Slow ride, huh? That's the original motor in that one.
Yeah, look at the bed on this.
Look at this motor. That's the original motor. Little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cylinder. Oh, that's a nice bed. That's not original. I don't think. The bed might have rusted out or maybe. Oh, they got a little stuff inside the back of the car. I like your little stuff back here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. 63 Fairlane. Oh, that's nice. Original motor, huh? No? Oh, I was going to say, yeah, it looks like it.
Got it turned around. Got
100,000? Oh, it turned around? Okay.
It was 0, 0, 0, 0.
I have some.
Make a smile.
All right, what do we got over here? We got. Ooh, what is this thing?
I missed
That's nice.
Get called a sell by a dummy. What more could you ask for? That's pretty normal.
It's a pretty cool motor. Ooh, Mopar. Bel Air. I like that Bel Air. You like the Bel Air? Huh? I'm full from that air food. Let's see. They got brats and pierogies over here. Homemade, delicious pierogies. Look, 426. That's a nice car there. That's what we just did. Trying to get around these people. A 225. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Hey, Kathy. So when I was a mechanic, this is what I used to work on, is cars like this.
Brings that memory.
225 slant 6, yeah. Brings back memories. Madeline. Hey, Kathy. Kathy. See this car right here? Look, look. This Plymouth right here? That was my first car. It was a Fury 3. That's a Fury 2. I had the same exact color. My first car I ever had. That was the first car I ever had, was one of those Fury 3s. Yeah.
Look at the fins on that thing.
Look at that. That's a nice car, man. Needs a good paint job on it, but he's trying to keep it original, I guess. And keep it from rusting out, I guess. Old truck. There's a real old truck. Ralph and Sons, Deckerville, Michigan. That's an older one. Yeah, well, they're trying to keep it original, you know. This is so cheap. 1966 Chevy Bel Air. Trying to get away from the music over there. Might have to delete the music. Hopefully, I don't have to. I like that duster. That's nice. 340 probably in it. 1973 3 duster. That might be having 218 in it. Maybe it's got a 340 in it. 73. That was towards the end of the era. Oh, here you go, Kathy. That's the kind of car you like. A 34 Ford Coupe.
Yeah.
Wow. That's in beautiful shape, man. Nice paint job on that one. Nice interior, too. Wow. The interior's sharp. Wildcat. Camaro. That's a newer Camaro, isn't it? It's a classic car. 383. That's a good motor. No, oh, a Nova. Wow, sharp, nice paint job. Nice rims. Rally Sport. 1968. 350 probably. Oh, 327. Wow. That was expecting. Yeah, I was expecting a 350. 327. It's got 392 Hemi in it. That's a new one. The dog over there. Super camper. That's a good old truck there. You know, it's a Ford. I'm not much of Fords. Original motor. That's what I used to work on. Points and condenser. Cutlass. People used to put these down all the time because they wouldn't have any power in them. They just call them gutless. I'm going to have to delete all this music off there, so I'm not going to worry about it. That's modern music, so it's going to be copyright. I'll have to just see if I can get rid of it. Yeah. There's 32 Chevy two-door. Nice grill, huh? Oh, that's Roadrunner. It's nice. I am partial to the Dodges. Anything Dodge and Plymouth. Trans Am. I don't see those too much anymore. What is this, a 383? 440. Oh, nice motor. This guy's still got the original sticker on it. Get this car for $6,789. God, what a deal that would be now, huh? Brand new. Don't you wish you could buy a brand new car for $6,000 like this one used to be? $6,000. That's credible. Nice Mustang. Or is that a Mach Mustang? That's a 351. I wonder if it's Cleveland or Windsor. That's from Michigan. Hey, does anybody own this Mustang? Is that a Cleveland or is it a Cleveland or Windsor? Cleveland? Nice. They're fast motors. Those Clevelands were a lot faster than the Windsors. Huh? Sweet. Delta 88. Haven't seen it. That's a convertible. That's sweet. Oldsmobile. They don't make these anymore. Look at the interior on this thing. Nice interior. Look at the old dashes. I like the modern dashes, but I like the interior, and this is pretty sweet. Old white wall tires. This is a nice car here, man. This is sweet. Ooh, he's got it modernized a little bit. It's got fuel injection on this thing. Wow, that's a modern motor there.
Hey,
Who owns this car here? Who does? You do? What year's the motor on that? That's fuel injected? 2006. Nice. I was looking at that. I was like, that motor's not old. That's a new motor because it's fuel injected.
yeah, that's a modern motor.
Votech.
The
Yeah,
whole drivetrain is modern.
I could see that. All the transmission and the rear end and everything like that.
Yep.
Sweet.
Yeah, all modern, so we can travel down the road with the traffic.
I'm
'cause
good
they'll
with
run
it.
you over.
Yeah. Those old motors, sometimes they just didn't put up, but you got air conditioning, nice air
Yeah.
conditioning.
Yeah.
I could tell as soon as I looked at it, oh man, that's fuel injected.
Yeah, we got
The
three
Vertex.
cars. They all got air conditioning. If you're only running them in the summer, you got to have air conditioning.
You gotta have air conditioning. And those old cars, they overheat. You cruise Woodward or something like that.
No,
Let's
this
sit there
one
and
I just
overheat.
got done this year.
Oh, you got it done this year?
Yeah. Just started driving it this year. It took me 5
Nice.
years to do.
Oh, you fix them up and resell them, or
No,
No?
we fix them
you
up.
keep them? Keep them?
I enjoy doing it. So
That's a lot of work.
yeah, it's a lot of work. Yep.
I used to be a mechanic in the from '79 to like '92. I was an auto mechanic at my dad's gas station at 12 Mile Crook Shell.
12 miles. Okay.
It was a big old Shell gas station. It had 3 bays, and we did a lot of work out there. I remember doing points, condensers, and all that stuff. And a couple friends of mine had Super Bs. We had a lot of Dodges. I had a 1969 Mini B, they call it. It's a Dodge. Basically, it's a Dodge Dart with the air inducted hood scoops
Okay.
with the black stripe around the back. Had a 391 posi rear end. Another friend of mine had a Super B. We had some fun back then, man. Those were the good old days. So I know a little bit about cars, and that's why I was like, that is not a carburetor. That is not a 6-pack.
That's modern.
Yeah, that's modern.
Yeah.
I saw that right away. Nice car, though. I like it.
Yeah. Thank
I
you.
like it. Nothing wrong with modernizing an old car like this. Sweet. Thank you. My wife likes these old cars like this. Nice paint job on it, too. My back is getting sore. I gotta sit down. One more roll. That's nice. I didn't see this one. What is this? 74 Plymouth Cuda with a 340. That's nice. Cuda power. Oh, this is the car before he redid it. Nice. So what'd you think of that coupes that were back there? I got the Roadrunner, but I missed that Dart or that Duster.
Have our local sponsors, everybody that donated. So I want to have a special thanks to them. And also Troy Washer for going on with my dad's dream of Cannibal Customs. So I think everybody should give him a round of applause. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, so are we ready to draw the tickets? Yeah. Woohoo, yeah. Woo! Thank you again, girls. Okay, so I'm going to have you introduce yourselves again one more time, right? We have Crystal Pistol. Crystal Pistol with their
Pistol.
favorite. My car? Your car? Yeah. Okay, my Chevy Blazer. Perfect. Surprise. You forgot? The 30 Chevy sedan. Perfect. And it's Mary Jane. Mary Jane.
Oh, got my ears.
Hazel Jean. And it was a 68 Chevy pickup truck. Woohoo! You know, the pinup girls, their favorite vehicles change throughout the day, you know, right?
Cherry May, and I like a 69 Chevy Camaro.
Cherry May, yeah. And
Lola Bunny, a 63 Chevy Biscayne wagon.
all right. So we're going to
And that
do
car,
third
or
place.
that plot
Drum
line.
roll. Hazel Jane. Woo!
I go plug my ears. They're
Runner up.
a
You
little
ready?
noisy.
Drum roll, drum roll. Cherry May. Woo! And the 2025 Miss Stromberg is,
Stromberg.
big drum roll, Mary Jane. Woo!
What is she, Miss Stromberg?
Are you ready? Where's
What does
the
that mean?
ticket?
That's
Ticket,
the name of the
bucket,
place?
ticket, bucket. All right here. Ready? Come on.
Oops.
Shake, shake it, shake, 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 shake. I'm going to have you reach up and dig in. Okay? Close your eyes though.
Close your eyes.
Dig, 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 dig. Pull out one ticket. Perfect. And the red ticket, winner of $505, is
$5.
943-1173. 943-1173.
That hurts my eardrums.
All right. You want to introduce yourself and did you bring a vehicle? You sure did. Awesome. And
Ryan Nevue with the 30.
Old worker 70 truck. Old work truck. I didn't get this back row here. Nice. Ooh, GT. Ford though. Ford Racing? That's a Ford? A little dirty. Nice car though. Some bikes. This SS Camaro is nice.
I just walked up there and
That little girl's happy she got chosen, I guess. Oh, look at this Camaro. This is pretty nice. Look at the back end here. Nice. Honor of the brave and remember the fallen. Must be a vet. Look at the back end.
follow that little road right here.
Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Hey, I got some of these maybe. 427 here. Turbo injected? Really?
What's his last name?
What it says right there.
It's what's Robert's brother's name? God, I forget what the hell his last name was. Barnes. Barnes, yep. Yeah, he was here.
So this Mustang right here for my brother Scott. You like this one? Oh, wow. Look at that paint job. A Mach 1. Ooh, 351. All right. It's a nice looking motor. 6.9 Mach 1. Drawstring nickel white interior. 1 of 7. You see. Nice. A 390. I didn't expect that. 390. This old Ford truck. 1-barrel carburetor. Looks like it needs to be rebuilt. It's leaking a little bit of gas. It's 1948. That's why I know. Nice. 442. Nice. Oldsmobile. I remember my racing days out in Woodward, or cruising Woodward. My dad had a gas station at 12 Crooks. The Shell station right in the corner there. It's not a Shell anymore. I think it's a Snowflake. But we were there in 77 to 80 or 90. We were there 90, 92, 93, something like that. The Smiths. We had quite the business going there at one time. Back when I worked on all these cars like this one here. Ford Thunder. A newer Mustang, or a newer Vet, I mean. So that's Camaro, convertible Camaro like that. That's pretty nice. Show the truck. The little kids there. Nice Chevy there. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Nice. I think I'm just gonna walk back through the middle there. This is pretty neat too. Gold beam. Let me back this up a little bit here. Let's see better. And Nova's pretty cool. Some of these vehicles are gonna start leaving now. This car show is basically the end of the car show. I was trying to get out the door here, but it's hard to get out the door when we were out late last night at Beaches. More videotaping now. That's a good one. Like this Cuda. This Cuda's pretty cool with lightning bolts on it. It's got a 340. That's a newer Camaro. Everybody likes to load them up and fire them out. Cuda. Hope there's no cops around.
There's one cop in town and he doesn't know how to use a pen.
He doesn't know how to use a pen, so he just rides around?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. That's kind of neat. Old US 27 Motor Tour Duster. Let's see this Duster up here. That's what my friends used to have. Oh, it's a 225/6 on this thing. Not a real Duster. It's a little baby Duster. Alright, I think I'm gonna end it here, folks. There's your tour of the car show. You got to go to the car show. Stoneberg's Michigan sponsors. Okay, thanks. Like and subscribe.